Activity 4. Hello, my name is Jason Andres Acuña Nathar. I am live Magangue, Colombia. I am 27 years old. In my free time, I listen to music, I play soccer. This is my family. This is my mother. Her name is Miriadis Natharmenko. She is 50 years old. My mother is housewife. He is my father. His name is Ignacio José Acuña Nathar. He is 50 years old. My father is merchant. She is my friend. Her name is Irlena Acuña Nathar. She is 3 years old. My friend is a student. She is my friend. Her name is Margis Acuña Nathar. She is 36 years old. My sister is enferma. She is my brother. His name is José Ignacio Acuña Nathar. My brother is militar. She is 28 years old. I went to Panama 3 years ago, and I went with my father. We stayed in hotel in Panama City. The hotel was quite beautiful. It had a big pool and an excellent restaurant. They cooked the most delicious meal. We would head out very early in the morning because we would develop a different activity each day. And so thank you.